My mind's always running, thinking, and I do everything but the project most of the time. It's paradoxical, but somehow that feeds my build, my creativity. The inspiration just doesn't show up because there's a deadline. That certainly helps. Instead, the idea shows up when it's had just the right amount of time to marinate. And when it's ready, it's time to get to work. How this project started was when my friend Tarek and Heather called, and they said,
Adam, can you make me a kick-ass gate for the front of my house? Let me know.
Which sounds simple, casual, but my brain heard, make something original, handcrafted, one of a kind, innovative, overbuilt, trick. This was just supposed to be a simple gate. When you build things, you redraw, recut, rethink, then realize the post isn't even level. Build, unbuild, build again. You just don't measure twice. You question everything. And then when you're done questioning, there's a moment in every build when it stops fighting you and things just click. It leans in, you're not rushing, you're just working. And suddenly there's a specific flow to all the crazy. I don't know if it happens to everyone, or if I'm just used to making last-minute creative changes when things just don't add up. But either way, there's just a kind of magic.
We'll go with the BK 147. Okay.
Install day. It's hot, but everything falls into place. Every measurement, every dry run, every overthought detail, it all just flows. The gate doesn't fight us, like it actually fits. I build pieces that not only look like they belong, I build features that the house didn't even know it needed. For Sean and I, we don't know simple, so we don't build that way. We build with detail and intention to solve problems first and then wrap it up with a killer design. And there it is. It's not just square, it's solid. It closes with a click that you could feel. At the end of the day, I look at all my pieces, and honestly, I don't even know how I just built that. All I do is just stand and admire and figure out how I'm going to build your next creative project. Why don't you reach out to me right now, actually? If you like what you saw, subscribe for my next video, and I will see you next time. Bye.